Hello, beautiful people of YouTube. I am, no idea what I'm doing today. But you know what? I'm really glad you're here because now you're here and I'm here and it's like this little thing and I'm loving it. So today I am just kind of going to take you along with me. I've got a busy day. I'm going to be doing some cleaning. I'm going to be doing some baking. I love to bake, and so in my spare time, along with doing hair, I also do baking, primarily cupcakes. I'm a cupcake person, but my daughter's telling me to, let me show you. She's pretending to play the piano. Whoops, that didn't work. Hold on. Let me show you. She's pretending to play the piano over there. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Anyway, so I'm just going to take you along, kind of just see what we come up with today. So, yeah, we've got homeschool living room over here.
Hi.
And we've got another one getting ready to do some art over here. And some laundry that needs folded and put away. You know, that is the story of my life. Always and forever. Done with the clean laundry, but just leaving it to pile up and not fold and put away. So that's not good. But anyway, so let's see what we get into today. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the mess that I have to clean up before I can bake. So we're gonna do that, and then I also have a little bit of mess over here from the pancakes this morning. I only have 2 outlets in my kitchen. So that one over there holds the coffee maker, and this one right here is alternated between the microwave, the Instant Pot, the toaster, and the blender. So when I have to use my griddle, I use it over here, and also I have a big roaster pan, and I also use that over here. So it is what it is. Make do with what you got, right? All right, well, let's get started. Okay, so, this is Minnie Pearl. This is my mommy's dog. We're babysitting her, I guess, dog sitting? No, babysitting, she's a baby. And we're going to keep her until Saturday. So I figured I would say hi. She's a cutie, just cuddle her. She's a little puppy. Say hi. Anyways, so I finished the kitchen. Do you guys like watching me do the dishes? I feel like you don't, so I always skip that part. So, I don't know. If you do, leave a comment, let me know, and I will film doing the dishes next time. But I'm finished here. Some more dishes to wash, which I will get to after lunch. And then I cleaned off this stove, but I didn't actually get it like completely like wiped off yet. So I gotta do that still, but I'm gonna take a break. For the kiddos, they're all calling me now. They don't like that I've been away. So
Hi.
a little photo bomber over here.
Pokeball. Hi.
There you go. Say hi.
Hi.
There we go. All right. So we'll see you in a minute. So I'm kind of in a good spot right now. The cupcakes are baked. I used the leftover batter to make a 9-inch round, which I'm going to use to make a personal, like, 4-layer cake. I don't know, we'll see. And then I have done the dishes, and I just finished eating some leftovers. And so I am gonna take about, I don't know, half-hour break. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee here. And I'm just gonna see, oh no, the dog's got something, I gotta get it. And then I'm just gonna go and get the frosting mixed up and get those put together. All right. Today has been such a long day. I at some point started making cake pops, and I paused the movie so that I could go find the rest of my supplies, and I forgot to hit record again. So I didn't realize that until I went to grab my phone off the tripod, and I missed everything. So for right now, let me show you. This is the cake that I made. This is just an individual, like, I don't even know. It's probably more like four hold on. Ooh, that's a mess everywhere. Okay. There we go. And then these are the cake pops. I could never find lollipop sticks, so I had to do it by spoon, and they just look, you know, it is what it is. And the cupcakes look amazing. Anyway, so my brother, so he doesn't actually care if it's not that super fancy, but I'm going to call it quits for now. I gotta go get ready. We're gonna head out to my dad's and have like a little birthday shindig thing. Okay, it's not gonna be a shindig, but it's gonna be cake and dinner. So we're gonna go do that, and I'm gonna let you go.
I'll see you later.
I have chocolate on my face. we'll just pretend like that didn't happen. Anyway.
How could we?
Bye.
That didn't happen. How could we?
So remember that you are loved, you are chosen, and God created you for a purpose. Thanks for watching. Oh, you better click subscribe and like and all the fun things because I do all kinds of stuff on here. So we'll see you next time.